Good morning, good morning. The markets are down quite a bit this morning. Looks like almost 400 points from Friday's close, but we're going to start with the disclaimer. This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades. We're just trading to have fun. Many of our trades are already potentially closed before you even see us open the trade because we are active scalpers, and some of our trades, like I said, can be closed just before you even see them open due to the latency of YouTube. We trade offline as well, so you don't get to see the complete picture. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Finally, please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations, unlike an actual performance record. And read the rest of it and understand it. And as I said, we are not licensed professionals. Please trade on demo only. With that being said, let's get to the charts. Let's get to the charts. Close that one. Well, I traded last night a bit, and it was quiet-ish. Oh, who's that doing? Yeah, it was quiet. I mean, I still did okay. I can't complain with the results, but I got a connect over here. I'm very surprised at what I saw this morning. I wasn't expecting that. And I'll tell you why in a minute. Let me connect this account. Why? Because I had a theory that once we broke over VWAP and we traded towards Friday's close, that we would head higher for the rest of the London session, evening session, Asian session, London session. And if I put up the 5-minute chart, we can see how wrong I was. Where was I trading? I was trading in the early evening at this area over here. So once we broke above VWAP, actually when we were under VWAP, I already had a mild bias to the upside, even though everything was kind of pointing down from 6 o'clock till, I don't know, 7. It was straight down about 40, 50 points. But then we started to recover, and I had a bullish bias, thinking that maybe we'll cross VWAP, and if we can't cross VWAP on the 1-minute chart and hold, that we would head towards the previous day's close, Friday's close, and then we would go above that. I was even thinking of holding just 1 micro, but it's a good thing that I didn't, because if I tighten up the chart here, look what happened. Ooh, bit of a free fall there. I mean, I would have put in a stop under the lows over here at 667 anyways, but regardless. So, well, we're in deep bearish territory right here. We're under VWAP. We're under Friday's low. Obviously, if we're under the low, we're under the low is the red dashed line. If we're under the low, we're obviously under the previous day's close. And we're trading steeply lower. With 720, 400. 720 was the previous day's close, Friday's close. 400 points. That's 2% probably, approximately in that area. So what I was looking at on the 15-minute chart was, I was wondering if this pullback over here into this zone was going to hold, and we were going to continue up and recover from the waterfall decline we had on the FOMC date. But doesn't look like that's the case. It looks like we're heading lower again. this zone broke. Just mark it. We're okay, come on. I don't like this pointer. It's hard to work with this pointer. We're clearly through it. As you can see, if I expand the chart, we're clearly through it. Price is holding below. We broke and price is definitely holding below. So on the 15-minute chart, we are under the Asian session, which is the dark gray box. And we're trading at the lows of the London session, the overnight session. I mean, given that it's 9:30 already, that's kind of over, almost 9:30. So let's get ready to trade. But as I said, it's a quite bearish bias. Let me set up my strategies. Whoa, there's a whole bunch of them here. Okay, well, they all make sense. Not using my trade copier today because I had another trade copier disaster. And don't want to deal with that. Let's set up the gold trade and let's set up Counter-Strike. Just to remind everyone that Counter-Strike is an algo that I coded that I think has potential. So I am running it on a sim account and I am watching it. I think its potential is mostly after 9:30 during regular trading hours, but I do run it pre-market when I'm here. I do run it in the evening. Woodchip, good morning. Did you see my thumbnail? What was I saying? Yeah, Counter-Strike. I mean, that is a strategy that I am just testing and forward testing on a sim account, watching it. It's done quite well. I think on Friday it was ahead by about 40 pips in the end. Good morning, Woodchip. What do I need to do? I need to just edit strategy. I'll be with you in a second, guys. 6:15. Let's make it 6:15 a.m. I have to adjust the trading hours on this because I had it for the evening session last night. 8:15 will be enough. Less data. Even 9:15 will be enough. And okay, and activate. Okay, 8:15. Sorry, I want 8:15. Okay, and let me get to a 1-minute chart on the Nasdaq because I want to see what the ATR is. The ATR right now on the 1-minute chart is 11, which is quite high for pre-market. But looking back here at, well, after 8:30 to 9, we were in the 16-point range. That's a very high ATR pre-market for Nasdaq. Okay, let's get ready to trade. Woodchip, was it easy for you to find a new channel? Did you type in did you type in a search, or how did you fall upon us? I'm curious because there's so many channels in the morning. We've got a bunch of bearish fair value gaps on the 15-minute chart, obviously, when you fall that hard that fast. Whoa, I have a deep rumble voice this morning. Yet I got enough sleep. What do we do? What do we do? I don't mean we, meaning what do I do for trading, but what is the market going to do? That's the tricky question. But, I don't have to guess. Because today I am strictly going to follow my scalping strategy all day. Because I am very curious to see how closely I can match the theoretical results. What the hell is this? Okay, we're getting 2 minutes to open. Oh no, 2 minutes to open and there's all kinds of stuff on the chart. I'm here. Hmm? Yeah. Look! Oh, I didn't log you in. It'd be going up. Gotta kind of hurry up because if you got 1 minute, this turns red. Oh, that's mine. That's open up. First, whatever you can open up. Should be going up. Oh, that's a hard one. Overall, yes, it should be going up for the day. I would tend to agree with you, especially since on the 15-minute, this is like already 3 days down. 1, 2, 3. That's 3 pushes.
How's the volume?
Seems pretty good. I mean, look at we had a 2% decline overnight. Look at this. Yep, that's the 1 minute chart. So. $9:30, markets are open. And the first trade is, unfortunately for me, oh,
I'm not an MNQ. Can't take it.
let's go, push lower.
It's the instrument. MNQ 325, no?
Yeah.
Why did it tell me invalid instrument?
I don't know, maybe you didn't put the minus sign. Okay.
I did.
Get where? Hold on, guys. You know what? That's good enough. How many points I have there? 1, 20 points. 20 points. I'll cover this one. Where?
I got it. I finally got it.
I need new glasses. 29.23 lingers below, which is weekly chart. Fair value gap. Wait at least 10 minutes. I can't wait 10 minutes. What chip?
There's no line on your screen.
What do you mean? Oh, you mean a cursor line?
Yeah.
Yeah, change the cursor. It's up here where the arrow is.
What is
Cross. Okay, well, let the open pass, and then I'll take a look at the levels a little bit more in detail. Right now I'm trading the open, so it's a little hectic.
Oh wait, I didn't say I'm gonna do this. This is not where I'm supposed to be.
Use the market order to end. Hey, 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 hey! I'm in the blind! 14. I know 98. Okay, didn't get follow through on that one. Wait some more. What are you opening up on? The next order, I got to guess. Ah! Wow. I am not in the mood for a bad open today, also.
Keep doing that.
Wow, this kind of volatility, I'm having a hard time getting 10 points. It's pretty sad.
It's moving quick.
You're opening them both? You don't need them both. Oh, I know. I understand. I understand. I understand. Okay, I'll take that. It's a Monday, and it's the Monday of head of non-farm payroll, so it's going to be a clean day probability-wise, but open will be a shit show. So far, I'm not doing too bad on the open. I didn't hold for as far as I should have held, but haven't been doing too well in my open trade, so I'm happy to be ahead. Is it better on this screen for you if I manage it?
Well, I fell back asleep. I could have woken back up at 10:30.
I woke up late today too.
No, like I fell back asleep.
$25 points. What are we going for? How many? I forgot. Two,
Isn't
three,
it when he
four?
makes one bar, you get out?
No, four. Didn't we say four?
Yeah, but when he makes a bar, you get out. White bar, no?
Oh, yeah, yeah, definitely. Got to cover. Yeah, definitely. Okay, that was a little bit more, but it didn't run too much. First 1 minute fair value just formed. Yes, it did. Okay, come on, let's have a dump. 40-point dump. 10-point dump. What am I short at? 44. And it's at 43, so I have a point better. And I got a cover. That was a losing trade. I'm kind of treading water here, and it might enter me in again. I hate those. Yes, I am taking invert and bounce off that, and I'm long. I needed to go a little bit higher before I start to be thinking to take longs. I don't know how you work with trade evade. Seriously. I hate when it does that because, yeah, that's, it ticks you in and then it does that so fast.
But you miss a lot. That's the problem. Like, I feel like I miss a lot when we don't do that.
Well, here it goes. Yeah, it's close. I'm watching. What about on the 32nd? Did we, no, it's about the same thing. The fair value gap is the box here. Easy to see for me. So, wow, was that really the 32nd? Yeah, no, that's the 32nd. Okay, I'm slightly ahead on the morning's trading, which is better than being slightly behind on the morning's trading. How's my mic levels? Mic levels look good. Not inverted. I don't understand why you don't just trade that account on Ninja.
I didn't even know I had in my MFFFU there.
You got in a little bit early. I was thinking that too, but mathematically that doesn't make sense. For me, at least, the way I trade. $369, $329. Oof. Oof. Well, it's 40 points. If your target is 566, I mean 200 to 40, that's a 5-1 RR. So it's a very good trade.
That's what he goes for?
Well, no, in this case, he's targeting bounce off that, and I'm long for 566. He's long now, one micro at 369, stop 329. So it's a 40-point stop. And the target is about. He's looking for the. He was looking for the IFBG here on the 1 minute. I'm pretty sure it's on the 1 minute. I didn't check the 5 minute. Yeah, order fill, really? Oh, you are in an order. I can get a better price, then I'll take it. I will take it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Almost $100 on that. And boom. 261. Okay, that was good. I don't use strict RR. Yeah, no, I didn't figure you did, but I'm just saying on this one. If that was your target, then it was a 5-2. It was a 5-1. Oh,
My numbers don't make sense.
why? Oh, I understand what you mean. Yeah, that happens a lot. Oh, come on, you screwed me. I didn't know it filled the order. Nope. Before I place the trade, I want at least 2 to 1. 2 to 1 is good. For the longest time, I used to trade with an RR that was less than 1 to 1 because I wanted a smooth equity curve, sorry. But it was not good trading at all, actually. Especially because there are times when I'm undisciplined and I'd let the losers run, hoping it would come back. And my oh my, it became like, you almost needed 5 or 6 winners just to recover a loss on one trade. Go fish. Use today as the practice, maybe. I wanted to compare my results with your results. You're doing 2 lots?
Just one.
Just one.
Yeah. Oh, my arms are dead.
Hey, what, Chip? While the channel is still small and don't have a lot of people in here, there might be a way that I can hook just your mic. Hook just your mic up. So instead of you having to type, you can actually talk it out. But you want me to look into that? Well, you can come across the speaker and yes, it is a large gap down. Huge. And I don't think we're going to fill it. These types of heavy selling. Usually have quite a lot of follow through. This one's going to stop me out quickly. Colin. Okay, they can't all be winners. 9:45. I didn't check the economic calendar. How irresponsible of that is. How irresponsible of me is that, huh? I didn't take a look yet. I don't know if you heard. I woke up late. Woke up uncharacteristically late. Okay, come on, take me in. I don't want to be short for 4. That's how I get into trouble. Hey, hey, hey. Bulenox! Okay, covered 1, got back a little bit. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if I can do a good scalp here. If it continues lower, and the ad can give me some up 5-10 points. I added a 10. You know what? Oh, that's good. I got an extra 10 points on that ad. No, not today. Not today. I got to look into it. I got to figure out how to do it. I figured just for you, like I said, right now the channel's small, so people won't be complaining. Hey, I want to be on the mic too. There's really, we're just starting, and you've been a loyalist, so you deserve. I got to look into it, how to do it. I think I know how to do it. Where you can connect just your mic, because you type a lot. So I mean, you're quite active in the chat. I hate typing. I don't know about you, but I hate typing. Serious. I was a shitty loser. I don't think anyone wants to be on my keyboard warrior. No problem. It was for you. Actually, maybe it was for me too. I wouldn't have to read the chats. No, it was for you. It's the privileges of being first ones in the door. No, I don't think anyone would complain if you're on mic. Besides, you have good insights. And you'll get uh, Alex here talking also, because the two of you follow ICT and the gaps, the fair value gaps. I'm more of a technical trader, just watching setups, and you can see I get a lot of frequent setups. I'm going to be covering that in a video now that I have the new channel done, and I'm going to start to create videos on how I trade. It's math based, and I like to call it simple systems based on simple math. They have a positive expected value. As long as you trade disciplined, you don't start trading larger when you have losses. But it does go on losing streaks during the day. Don't remember if I covered the numbers with you. But off memory, I think it's 63 or 65% winning days, and the winning days are almost twice the size of the losing days. And yeah, I think I talked about this. 42 points is about 13% probability. It's been a while that I've calculated the expected value on the new numbers. Maybe, you know what I'm gonna do tonight. I'm curious to see what it is. Actually, I'm curious to see what the profit factor is also. I think it's almost close to 3. Yeah, yeah, I remember now that I talked about it. I wasn't sure if I did. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to justify this type of trading, because any people are gonna see it, they're gonna think it's ridiculously over trading. But what do we got on a profit factor on this? Profit factor, it's just 2.98 right now. Actually, it all depends on how far you let it run for your take profit. It's 2.98 if you let it go for 42 points, which is the highest one. If you take out 7 points, it's 2.12 on the profit factor. So, depending on where you take your profit factor is anywhere between 2.12 and 2.98 at this moment as we speak, December 30th.
Are you warm?
I'm regular.
Can I have your sweater? And if you're cold, I give it back.
Oh, serious?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do that. Give me a sec.
Je suis tout nu, j'ai vu ma robe. Je paniquais, j'ai vu l'heure.
You didn't miss much. Look, a 1, a 3, a 1, a 1. Yet did I survive it? No, I didn't survive it. I think I was up to 300. Oh, shit. Hold on a minute. There you go, my son. It's all nice and warm, huh?
Yeah. It's frisky.
I'll put up the profit graph in a minute. It's based on, again, I'm an old man. I forget things, but I think it's 1,300 or 1,500. No, 1,300 or 2,500 trades. But I gotta watch if we go. Okay, I can put it up. This is the profit graph. This is 7 points, 14 points, 21, 28, 35, and 42 points. Those are the equity curves of what I'm trading. And these are the days. And during those days, like I said, it's taken approximately, forget the approximately. Let's find exactly.
Hey.
It has taken exactly, 1,279 trades. Over how many days? Over 74 days. So plus 1279 divided by 74. That is an average of exactly, like I said, 17 trades per day.
I think he thinks I'm you now.
Ooh, Sparky. Yeah. So it's not disorganized mayhem. It's actually a system. But let's get back to watching the markets. I got a little bit of time. Let me see what the 15-minute is doing. Well, on the 15-minute, there is no reason to be, as a trend trader, no reason to be going long. No reason to be going long on the 5-minute. As a trend trader, ICT is a different story. IFBG here, anything? Or because it's not...
You're looking at who? I'm looking at that. There's no SMT. I told you, no SMT, no trade. That's what David does. No SMT, no
Where's
trade.
your ES chart on the
Right
bottom?
here, yeah. No SMT, no trade.
That's a 1-minute ES that you have there, or the 5-minute? Okay, give me a 10-point dump from 329. Let it go to 319. I'll cover one. Good enough. And four was where we said we would get out on the first, eh? Even though I'm early. No? What we discussed yesterday, do you remember?
Wait.
Okay, back up to 259.
It's good enough. Let me just get out. You're talking.
Yeah, no problem.
I got it. Whatever.
I forgot what I said. Oh, I said what we discussed yesterday was 4 for the first one, no?
1, 2.
Which was a 3, which was 21 points. Like take a 2-lot, get out at 20.
Wait. Let me repeat. 4 here.
Get out at 20.
Or 4 here.
No, we discussed getting out at 21 points profit.
So 3 profit. 21 points. So 3 here.
Yeah, and then the second piece at 42 points. 21 and 42. So that should be the 21. I think should be 50%. What tip? Did you get an opportunity to hit the subscribe button? Which is the original FPG talking about 15-minute, 5-minute, 1 minute. Not the 15-minute. I don't see it on the 5-minute either. Maybe the 1 minute? Okay, yeah. Oh. Again, as a reminder, that's just something. That's just an alert. Doesn't mean there's news at 10 a.m. It's just a heads up for me. Oh, really? I missed a trade while I'm yapping. Did you get in? Yeah, you did. Okay, well, it is what it is. Normally I would get in FOMO, but I will let this one go. Well, I don't know if you noticed it, but on Friday I had what I can call a mental fart. Really didn't trade well at all. So, ended down, I think, 1,000 here on this MFFU eval. On pure, undisciplined, emotional trading. And did some soul searching and some reflecting. Put a process in place.
I only had one, so I got out at 4.
Yeah, and as I said, I'll be working on just trading the simple system, which is based on math, and let's see where it takes me. I'll do well in the long run. Just got to accept the short-term losses. Not be concerned about them.
I give him a little massage that he feels it.
Yeah, I don't think the cat likes that though. At least in my opinion.
He's purring like a crazy.
Usually seems to.
He likes it. He's purring like a crazy.
Why do you get out at 21 points? Did you say you were going to go for 42? It's too bad. I think there was quite a bit of 42-point winners. I can't tell now because you made the chart so small.
Hey.
Yeah, you know, those.
Chill, I would have gone here then.
Yeah.
I wouldn't even have the.
That's insane. 1, 2, 3, 6. That was a 35-point winner.
No, I wouldn't have. It would have been a 1 bar.
No. I'm just saying theoretically.
Yeah, these 3 bars.
It gets counted as a 35-point. Well, that was an aggressive move up. I want to take it long, but I'm not allowed. Part of my new disciplined approach. This one, if it closes above the fair value gap, I would be inclined to take because that was a push-up with energy. Now it looks like we're having some movement to the upside. But
no SMT, no trade.
No SMT, no trade. No, I don't even. I didn't even notice there wasn't an SMT, but it's not what I'm trading, so. What do you mean target? Oh, thought that was you.
No.
Counter-Strike's not doing that well. It is down currently 6 points, probably about 10 points with commissions and slippage. Oh, I got a long way to go. I forgot about gold. Did you?
No, I have it open here.
I forgot about it completely. But the strat is enabled, so I don't even know what account it's enabled on. Let me check. Strategies. Sim 102. So let's watch it. Oh boy. Now we have a pretty decent retrace after the IFVG. And that, for me right there, is a good trade. With a stop over here. I like it so much that I just one lot. And I'll even put in a hard stop.
No SMT, no trade.
Yeah, but look at the size of the retrace. It's like, actually my entry is bad. I'm going to get out only because my entry is bad because I chased it. If I would have gotten out over here, the RR on this is excellent. I can easily get 2 to 1 or 3 to 1 on this. But I needed the right entry. Oops. Let's close the order. Let's see what it's going to go for. If it's going to go for 2 to 1, 300. This is the 2 to 1. I say this one goes for 2 to 1 or 3 to 1. In the meantime, while I'm watching, waiting for a trade, let's just see how. And I got out of it because.
Isn't it 1 second? It flashed like 6 times, bro.
Yeah, it's 1 second. But it's got to be 1 full second yellow.
Look. Oh.
Order failed.
It flashed.
How? Yeah, I think we're going to go higher. You're long?
Yeah, wait, I'm watching it.
Put up the 30-second chart. Break a high of a bar and going long. And 28. Yeah, it's going higher. That's a lot of order fills.
No, I had to get out. I made a run.
I hate when it does that to me. It's a bad omen. I'm bailing. Even though I think it's going higher. No conviction to the trade. Why no conviction to the trade? Because it's an impulsive trade and I shouldn't be in it. Goodbye. Go back to what I'm supposed to be doing.
Okay, bro, I'm lost now. Confused.
Yeah, me too. I got a little bit of sides. We're long on we're long over there, so I'll get to take my long entry if it happens. 257. Are you serious? I missed an entry? No, I shouldn't be sure. Oh, God. I'm disorganized.
It's killing me.
Mm. Okay, it's time to catch one. Time to catch a good one. And soon it's time for refreshing the coffee. $301, $308. I thought I was long at a better price than that. I will add to this trade at 315 approximately. And I will get out at, move your cursor, 301.87. 287. No.
If you
94.
Get in at 15, you're out at
94,
100.
94. No, I'm going to let it form a full bar below the bands. Because I'm quite bullish right now. But as I said, getting in early is never done well for me. And once again, my point is proven. That cost me. Oh well.
Mike for this one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's fine.
10 is what, 200?
200. 5. Oh, look at that. Does a fake out and then it takes off. Mm. Okay, watching. James G. Good luck, guys. Thanks, James G. Hit the subscribe and like button. It helps a new channel grow. I'm short on gold, though. So if you guys want to watch on the screen on the left,
short out what, like 15.3?
Yeah, I'm short at 15.3. Yeah.
Should have been already at profit. What do you mean?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it hit 13.3.
I was distracted with NQ. I just took it too lot.
Take your profit in gold then.
Tick. Okay. Hey, I'm back to 317. That's my day high. Can't complain. James, you see anything on the NQ? Did you take any trades? Hello, James. 123 James. James was an original junkie. Started the channel with me. Oh, don't run away without me. What's the price? 336. The waiting is the hard part, eh? For it to hit target.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, another 7 points off the high there. What are we looking at? 350, 357. Let me put in a sell order. Sell limit 1, 360.50. Too high. 356.75. Close enough. Okay, somebody blow on it. I hate when it goes close and it comes back. That is frustrating. James, you're not there anymore? Let me call James. Okay, that didn't really work out too well. You should let me know. Just say out, in, you know? It would help me a little bit.
Out.
Out. Yes, at least the outs. My phone's not turning on. And the battery. Oh, there we go. Placing a call to James. Okay, well, until I get back into gold, I will watch Counter-Strike. Oh my God, Counter-Strike is down like 20 points. Well, this kind of volatility, it's not doing well. Surprised. Oh, I gotta check that. Where'd you go? Oh, you mean you hear me talking to you and you didn't type? Yeah, I didn't put it on speaker. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. I hear it. I hear it. Yeah, my like. Yeah. Okay. Oh no, I was just asking if you saw anything, but you're a little bit of a counter trader, so it's a little bit different than what I'm looking. Okay. Woke up late today, both me and Al. I mean, like almost last minute. I don't know. I guess it's all the Christmas whipped cream. Yeah, unbelievable. 400 points, like 2.5%. Mm. Volatility's high now. I mean, I'm looking at the ATR on the 1 minute. It's usually around at this hour after 10 o'clock. 10, 11 points. It's double the average range. So there's some decent volatility in the markets. Mm. Oh, really? What's it at now? Did it break? It got below 100? I don't watch Bitcoin. Yeah. Mm. No way. You said 91. No? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Crazy swings. Hey, you're talking like 5%. That's a big move. And yet, that's not even a big move for Bitcoin. In? Yeah, yeah. I hear you. I hear you. I'm in a trade also at the moment. Okay. Yeah, yeah. It's confusing. Hey, that the delay is confusing. Uh, mm. Oh, because I'm on the phone and the mic's live. The mic's hot. Yes, because I'm streaming. You're on the channel probably. So my mic is live. Mm. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. Mm. No problem. Yeah, I like it. Yeah. Okay, I'm in the trade and I'm losing again. Yeah, a follower. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It is. It is definitely. I just realized tomorrow is Tuesday. I thought Tuesday was the first. There's a potential for coffee tomorrow. Maybe no. Yeah. Okay. So we'll see. We'll talk. Okay. Let me get to this trade and hopefully it dumps and I get to pull out some dollars. Bye. Oh, didn't hang up. Okay. Let's just cover a piece there. And come on, you're gonna cost me enough with that. I'm back. Kind of crappy start for the market. I don't know, not bad for me. I can't complain. I've been a trend follower. It's working for me. I mean, I had quite a few losing trades, but overall, I am up this morning. 311. Dave, are you in the room? You see anything? Anything you're watching? Dave's a quiet lurker.
No, Dave's sleeping.
Oh, yes?
I think he woke up today.
Hey, you know what? While do I have a moment? Yeah. Let me know if it goes in. I want to check the volume. Last time at this hour, it was close to 300,000. Oh my God, 700,000. Oh, that's very active. Okay, looking for our next short. I haven't gotten too much follow through, but yet my numbers are good. Wow, I can't believe you are not placing orders. Yes, you are. Eh. Hey, are you doing that 5 point thing that we talked about yesterday? If it goes, but try to get in at the right price.
I don't know what that means. I don't know what you're talking
Remember,
about.
I said you put a stop about there, but you try to get a better price. And just in case it goes there, you get
To
filled.
get in or to get out?
To get in.
So I would get it. I would put one here to get in here.
No, we'll go over it later. Come on, push lower. Push lower. Get out of this. I'm not going to be difficult. And the last one I'll go for about 21 points. Let me see. I don't even know. You know what? 15 points even, which I already had. Okay, that was 20 points. I'll take it. 20-point winners are 20-point winners. Nothing to sneeze at. I'll trade better tomorrow. 364. Always do well on small size. He's crazy. It's not even that good of a day for my system, but I don't know how to get rid of this. That's David. See if you can figure it out. Turn the headed button. Looks like channel land. Oh, stop farting around. Shouldn't be short 4. Gotta get out of 2. An error. Anyways, you guys get the idea. It's a new channel, and it will really help us get out of the YouTube basement. It's not a channel land. Order submitted. Gold went short. got a decent profit in. Oh, come on, don't go back up. I had $70. And then Q. That was like 35 points. Is it possible? 70? Oh no, I have a 2 lot. $4 a point. 70 divided by 4. I don't even know. My brain's not working. I don't like this. God, this threw away 70. Okay, slowly chipping away. Gold. What are you shorted gold at? I can't even see. 15.4? Oh, okay. Okay. I'm waiting for the big move. Well, we may have had it overnight. Let me see what the 5 minute is doing. We're going to have initial balance set very soon in 30 seconds. 15-minute chart. 5 minute ES. Oh, we have an SMT, I think.
Yeah, we do. Indeed, we do.
We do. So this IFVG would be good. This inverted.
Well, normally you want to see it inverted fast. If the candle at 1026 inverted it, it would have been nice. After the S&P.
I'm surprised on that run before that. That we didn't head higher. We had some velocity to it. I'm waiting for the big move. I took 2 trades, 1 loser, 1 winner on my PA. I'm up 28. Green is green. I think I'm going to take a break soon after my next trade. Hopefully it'll get me over 400. Which isn't anything good. I mean, it's good, but...
That's a big stop loss, huh? That's a big stop.
No, not too bad. It's nine bars, I think. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's going to start to come down in 10 minutes quite aggressively. It's 19, 4 points. 1 micro. Oh, shit, there's an entry.
Et tu me l'as fait manger, là.
No, come on, take me out, you pecker. Again, buying the bid isn't working well. I'm going to click buy the ask. Just use market. Come on, head lower. This will get me over 400. No, it's not going to do it, huh? Okay, we try again. Let's go gold. Nice, Sparky. Just tapped me in. There is a slope there going up.
Order cancel.
Oh, we got the, hey, gold. There we go. Oh, lordy, 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 lordy. Well, at least I made on gold. $22 ATR on the 1 minute. That's still quite high. That's still very high, actually. Trying along. Yeah, I think I'm going to do the same thing. We will see what price does, if there's any follow through to the upside, or if we dump back down again. Let's go. It's trying. But keeps getting pushed back down. I think I'll add at the bottom of that slope and see it push back up. Improve my price, get a small piece.
I hear your cat digging. He left you a surprise, I think.
Yeah, probably.
You went to go hide it.
We'll smell it.
X marks the spot.
Okay, so we're going to see a strong push up. That's my prediction. Although we're not supposed to make predictions because we always look stupid. Oh my God.
Digga?
I don't know. I never heard that before. I think he got scared in the litter box, and I am not happy with my trade right now. I need a miracle to save me. And there it might just be. Let's get 7 points from here.
Are you long? You're not supposed to be long.
Yeah, I know. Lighten the load. I'm given the opportunity. That's the opportunity to lighten my load.
Cheater.
Yeah, I know. And I'll get out. 374. Ladies and gentlemen, it is coffee break time.
Raise the heat when you go.
Because I broke the rules.
Raise the heat when you go.
Yep. Can I do this? That's that. Or you don't want?
No.
Okay. Coffee break time. I'll be back in 2 minutes.
She made Christmas great again.
Out that I woke up late.
Could it be? I scratched my head and I saw the coffee cup. This morning I filled it up. It's a cup. That's more than a cup. It's great. Memories all wrapped up. If it chips or cracks or loses its shine, I'll never dump it. This cup is mine. She made Christmas great again. It was all wrapped in gold and red. What could it be? I scratched my head, then I saw the coffee cup. This morning I filled it up. Cat. It's a cup that's more than a cup. It's great memories all wrapped up. If it chips or cracks or loses its shine, I'll never dump it. This cup is mine. Cat. She made Christmas great again.
Wood chip. You called the long nicely on that one. Good trade.
What did he take? Did you even get an entry in that?
Did he get an entry? I'm not sure what his entry was. Let me read back. Interesting that I couldn't take a partial here. Hey, James G, you caught that too? Good job, guys. I don't know what his entry was. His entry, he might have been looking at the an IFPG over here. I know he takes IFPGs. And James, I'm not sure what he used as his entry technique. Is there anything that you see?
No, I closed everything. What I see.
Oh, okay. That is delicious. Well, I had a profit on that trade as well, but I wasn't supposed to be in it, and now there is a trade that I'm supposed to be in, and I'm a little late.
Me too. I didn't get filled.
And they're a little bit lower here at 59 instead of 55. I'll pay 4 extra points. Kind of screws with the RR, but 59.
I missed it. Dumpy.
You can't say he had 66. That's 7 points. I should have taken 7 points on the push, just for half, just because I'm in late. Going to break even on the balance. Where's your entry, James? For the break even. I'm betting you have a very decent entry. Okay, we don't need the gold chart up anymore. Gold trade's done. Okay, does this get me over 400? I don't even remember what my balance was. 412. Back over 400. That's it? You're going silent? Hmm? You're going silent in silent mode? There's music. Okay, I'm on my own to watch the trades. Figure out where to get in, get out. That was a good entry for me, manual on Counter-Strike. What do I like about Counter-Strike? When it turns green, get a 2-bar retrace and a continuation bar. Those are good manual entries for me while I'm watching and monitoring the Counter-Strike system that I've coded. Right now it's up 16 points. Second one, not so good. The first one is the good one. And looking to see if initial balance will be taken out to the upside. Still in 1 micro. Good job. Took 50 points on 2 micros and re-entered 61 micro. Good job. Good job. Yeah, you got a nice move there. It was a 42-point winner for us, exactly, but I got out very prematurely. I blew my load very early. I just wanted to get over 400. See, I wasn't trading the system. I was trading the balance, trading the money. So it cost. But I have no shortage of trades, as you guys know, so. Didn't we invert that one already? First one, I'm on the 1-minute chart. I assume you're talking about this one right here. It looks inverted. The one at 934. Okay, well, we just turned short. With that little dump. Counter-strike's not short. The 1 minute's not short. The 5 minutes not short. So we are at a bit of an impasse here. Conflicting signals. Up 80 now. 80's good. Which is the first 1 minute fair value gap you're talking about? Is it the one at 934? 933 maybe on your charts if you're not using Ninja. Ninja has didn't we invert it already with this candle right here at 1045, 1046? Like I said, I'm not an ICT scholar. Oh shit, I didn't watch that video you told me to watch also. I completely forgot about it. I bookmarked it. Oh, wonderful. I lost all my bookmarks on the weekend. I deleted a Chrome profile, all my Chrome profiles. I didn't know that would get rid of my bookmarks. So if you don't know that, don't delete your Chrome profiles. Across the opening price. Let's see. Well, we got close to the initial balance high, but at 13 points, but got slammed back down. The initial balance is that white box you see. Okay, time to prepare for a short of this little bounce. $22, I'm sure at 26. I'm short at 29. I'll take that. 7 points better than the indicated entry price. That means I can take profit a little bit earlier on a one lot. This one, if it goes, could take me over 500 for the day. And Counter-Strike just went short on the left screen. I can take off this. You don't need to see that. We'll take a look at the results after. $15.29. Got a little aggressive there. Let's see what it does for me. Does it do good for me, or does it cost me? I added. Stopping out at around 29. Okay, 16.15. Oop. It did good for me. Now we let it go. I'm not going to do that again. Because now my entry price is 22.50. That's my last one that I entered in at. That was my ad. I think I will get out soon though on this one. That looks like enough. 5.16. Excellent. Counter-Strike took profit also. How's Counter-Strike doing so far? Counter-Strike is up 24 points for the day. Slow start, but what I like about Counter-Strike, though, I know not too many people trade the Renko bars. It's like I said, red background means it's bearish. Counter strikes turn bearish. Momentum's turn bearish. If you get a 2-bar or more retrace, then on your first continuation bar to the downside, you enter and you set a profit target above 12 points. 19, 12 points would be like 07, would have been around there. And those are pretty easy scalps for 12 points. And vice versa on the buy side. If it's green, you wait for a 2-bar retrace, 2-bar pullback, and first continuation bar up, you enter. Where do you get out? If you're wrong, you get out when the price bar closes above the price channel. So if this one wouldn't hit profit target, your exit would be there. Again, I'm going to cover all this in a video, but I do have to gather stats on Counter-Strike.
The eggs, bacon, a waffle with stuff on it. It's the whole thing. It's like the big man breakfast.
Okay, let's see if we can catch a good trade. I didn't really record a 42-pointer yet today, although there were some. I didn't catch one. I got out early. Stock in a short. If anybody's curious. Target filled. What did target fill? I'm not supposed to have any trades. Well, that's still 516 there. Let's see. Positions. Strategies. And we remove that one. So there's no mistakes. Did I say I was stalking a short? I will take SP long here for the stop below. Yeah, I also am looking to take longs. I don't know, they say don't take every IFVG and every fair value gap isn't important, but for some reason this IFVG over here looks good to me. Why do we say that? Because it just looks like this bounce off here with the slope is going to hold. James, in a minute, I'm going to go take a look. I'm kind of thinking that we're headed back up. Higher low. Let's take a look at ES. I only have a 5 minute for ES. I need a 1 minute for ES also. copy chart, duplicate new tab. MNQ 1 minute, that's wrong. We're going to change it. MES 1 minute. Next, we're going to put no instrument, and then we're going to change it to MES. Okay, now I have an MES chart, which is the SPY. And we'll put it right there. And just this, what chart is this? The daily? What's doing on the daily? I truly haven't looked. Oh, we're bouncing off the 50. Right, that is the 50. Should be the 50. Yes, it's the 50. The 50 EMA. I didn't even look at it. The daily chart for a while. Forgot about it. That's interesting. What about over here? Anything? I don't see anything of significance for me on the 15 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute. On the ES. And Counter-Strike is long. Let me just make that a bigger chart. If anybody wants to watch Counter-Strike, the last Counter-Strike trade was a winner right here. The second to last trade was a winner. Counter-Strike's doing well today. Target filled. Counter-Strike is currently up 40 points already. That's a good day for Counter-Strike. Well, James, Jimmy G. Here, yes, trade is working out, but I'm going to switch back to NQ. Well, if I were to take an undisciplined, impulsive trade, it would be a long approximately somewhere in here. I'm just going to watch it though. Actually, you know what I think would be a better impulsive trade? Waiting for the high of the previous bar to break on the 30-second chart and for the price to continue higher. Let's do that for one lot. Right, it's good.
I'm allowed to try your coffee, sir?
You are. $10. Sit well, huh?
Yeah, have you ever seen
I put the French
the
vanilla
TikToks of pretending to serve my boyfriend like this in front of his parents? So, for example, if we're all in the kitchen, my girl would come and go on her knees. Here you go. He's like, am I allowed? And then she asked the boyfriend of the family, am I allowed to eat now? And the mom's looking, why is she asking you all this? Oh, this is how he told me to act when we're together at my house.
Okay, we got a break at a high of the previous candle on the 30-second chart. Let's see if we continue back up. Oh, I didn't even know. 57. We had an entry on the wrinkles as well. I should have added at 52. Sleeping at the switch. No. Go back up. Go back up. Where am I going to stop out? I'm going to stop out at 36. If anybody is curious on this trade. Actually, no. I think I'm going to stop out at 43. That's where I should be stopping out. That's what I will do. And I lightened up, even though I'm bullish. I'd like to see Counter-Strike turn bullish again with a green background. And that's it. Out. Okay, didn't lose too much on that one. Can't complain. Oh my God, long again, huh? I hate when it does that. Again, I'm having a kind of a good day. I'm up over 500 on my MFFU evaluation after a terrible loss on Friday, so I don't want to give it back. It's 11 o'clock, another hour to go for the day. I'm going to be quitting, so I think I want to book my 500 or 600 or $400 profit and come back tomorrow. If it takes me 2 days to recover, that's not so bad. Counter-Strike went bullish. That's good on the left side chart. So if I can see a 2-bar retrace and then a continuation of a bullish bar on Counter-Strike, I think I'll add one and try to squeeze out 12 points on that. 58, 64, 4, 57. Okay. Doesn't matter that Counter-Strike took profit. The retrace trade is still a good trade. Okay, 535. That's it. There's a 1-bar retrace on Counter-Strike. A little bit lower for a 2-bar retrace. You're humming. Okay, now we're waiting for a bullish bar for entry, a continuation bar, and the stop will be a close below the low of the price channel. This is the price channel here in white. I should make it bigger, and while I make it bigger, it'll probably go white. Let's see, let's make it 4 so you guys can see the price channel better. And we'll make it white. No, I'm going to make it, yeah, we'll go for white. White smoke is good. It's a little brighter than silver. Okay, now you can see the price channel much more prominently. There's your white bar.
Mike, you want it? I'm calling it a day.
Yeah, yeah, keep it on. I'll close it. Got in late.
Can you open it on your monitor there?
Yeah, I can't close it. Why are you quitting? Had enough?
Yeah.
Day was good? Ish?
Down 60.
Down? Really?
Yeah. I got a lot of flashes.
Mm. Yeah, that's why I said that thing with the putting in the stop order, you know? I'll go over it again with you to explain what I was talking about.
But at least gold worked on my other account.
Mm-hmm. Did you get 100 out of it?
92
92 is good.
after commission.
You're 1/30th of the way there. 3.3% almost. Am I supposed to be going for 7 points from 32, from 62?
There was an earthquake yesterday.
Yeah, there was.
Did you feel it?
No, I was far away.
What's in Western Quebec?
Yeah, that's far away. Saguenay, I think they said. Okay, I'll use this as an opportunity to lower my entry price on this trade. And I'm trying for 7 points. 62 plus 7. I would start 12 points at 74. Let's enter in my take profit at 74. It's good enough. And now we just watch. That will not be a close below. This will be a close below 50-50. That's where my stop is, at 50-50. Sell stop. And it's at 50-50. There we go. That's the trade based on the counter-strike 2-bar retrace. I like this trade. I take it manually. It's all set up. I can sit back and drink my coffee. There we go. That's out. That was 12 points. Looking for a 1 lot because, like I said, Counter-Strike is still on probation. It is in the watch and see mode, even for the manual 2-bar retrace trade. Rest B, rest break even. Okay. Let's see MES. It should be the MES 1 minute. It is MES 5 minutes, just to make sure. Yeah, nice. You got in at 10. You got in over here. You're up 10 points already. 10 points in the ES is phenomenal. What are you targeting on your trade there, James? For your break even? The high of the initial balance, the high of the day. What we got here on the 5 minute? Low of the previous day. Do you have any target on it, or are you just going to let it go? Here's another 2 or more bar retrace with Counter-Strike being bullish, but the second ones and the third ones are never really as strong as the first one. So if I take it, let me get a better price. There we go. This is a better price. Again, 70 plus 12 is 82. That's my take profit. And this will be the stop at 54.50. Sell stop. So that's the trade framed out. And let's see now what happens on the second Bitcoin potential flip. Yeah, I don't watch Bitcoin. Will I win one and lose one on this trade? Oh, wait a minute. Bars went up. My stop now is 58.50. I will just hit close. Okay, well, see, that's the good thing about the price channel. It rises as the bars form, so your stop moves up, which means your stops are, and your losses are smaller than your gains, which is good. Bitcoin. I should put up a Bitcoin chart. You know the symbol for Bitcoin? By any chance? mean, I can Google it, but I'm lazy right now. Wasn't a really bad day. Looking back for my system, how many 7-point winners were there? 42 points. Sorry, 742-point winners. 1, 2, 3 for sure. 3 42-point winners today. James, you know the symbol for Bitcoin? The future symbol for Ninja? I said I can look it up, but I'm being lazy. Relying on you. Or anyone out there in futures floor world? Anybody know the MBT? Okay, I'll put one up.
What's MBT?
Bitcoin.
Why M?
I guess for the micros. But I do have a NQ trade forming potentially, so I don't want to take it. I don't want to miss it. I'm getting late. Give me a sec. Hey, what happened? Really? It flashed along and then it went away? Yeah. MBT for the micros. No, I'm going to put up the micros. Not interested in the minis. Yeah, you know what? I'm not going to add to this. I'm just going to let this one play out. How much? Let's see where it goes. 71, 66. 66. I'm up 10 points. 10 points is good enough to take a partial. And now we'll let it go. We'll see what happens. My stop is now at, on this trade, at approximately 63. So only 3 points under my entry. Counter-strike just went long and took profit again. That's good. That's a good omen. Oops, wrong one. Chart trader, it's 112. That's 56 points. Wow, look at that dump. But if it goes long on Counter-Strike, I'm going to add to my trade and go for 12 points because this is the first 2-bar retrace and it would be the first continuation after a new green section. And there we go. I add to my trade. Let's target 12 points. 78, that's 90. This is the take profit. And the stop loss I'll work manually because I have 2 different trades open right now. SP looks healthy. Healthy is good. I like healthy. Okay, come on. It's going to pop up to 90. That could make my day, actually. I would be happy with that. Will I enter in at 78? I'm barely ahead on the Counter-Strike trade. 78, even 85. I'll be happy with 85. I won't be greedy. Okay, the stop for the Counter-Strike trade will be at, wait a minute. Just so I know, oh, I don't have anything, right there. 66.75. Anyways, I'll just use the sell market button for a 1 lot if it happens to stop me out. And I think I will add if I get another continuation bar to the upside. Because it looks like we got rejected here twice at 70. Buy bid. Okay, I'll buy bid. I'll add one here if I can get filled at 78. Or if I get filled at 85 on the offer. Whichever comes first. Looks like it's going to be the take partial. That's it. Cancel my extra order. And we let the last one go. And let's see if I can get 40 points out of this. Let me try for a 40 pointer. 71.50. That's 411. Sell limit. Sounds good, wouldn't you? I'm going for a 40 pointer here. I know my entry shows 78.75, but based on first in, first out, that's really my entry on the counter-strike trade. Come on! No way! Serious? You know what? I'm taking it. Good enough. 649. Good enough. Taking another partial on SP. Good job. And there it would have gotten taken out. But you know what? Too many times it just goes within a tick or two and then just comes right back. You know what? Let me do MNQ only because that's really all that I'm following. Oh, yeah. Counter-strike. Long here, right under the initial balance high. I get hurt on those. What is this chart that I'm looking at? Ah, I understand what I'm looking at. Checking out my screens. I like this one. Good job, went through. I will look for an entry. If price holds above the initial balance high, I'll wait for a retrace and then a continuation and I'll take it. And right now we're not holding above it. Hang on. Initial balance high is this thin white dashed line at 2416.75 approximately. $392.50. What? Long $392.50? I'm confused. $392.50 is below. Too weak. Yeah, we got rejected off the initial balance high. But we did close above it. It's not a perfect setup, and we also have VWAP, the blue dash line, just above it. It's possible we make a run for VWAP. Actually, at this point, anything's possible. Make a run for VWAP or get pushed down aggressively. Here's the 5-minute chart. So we just did make a quick new US session high. And price rotated back down. How many points? 30 points already? At least 35 points. we'll watch. We'll see. I don't have a setup now, so I'm not gonna guess anymore. The days of guessing are hopefully behind me, even though I did take a few of those trades today. But mostly I took the trades I was supposed to take. I'd say good 95%. Yes, it should be 100%, but I'm working on it. It's a work in progress. Let's take a look at the MES. MES did the same thing. Go through the US session highs. Back to MNQ. What I find odd is that Counter-Strike is still only up 55 points. Just had a whole bunch of winners. It's odd. Yeah, I didn't put up the chart yet on Bitcoin. Let me do it now. I think a 1 minute chart. What do you watch, James, on Bitcoin? This kind of bounces off top of original. Really? Not sure what you mean by the top. The first candle, the second candle, or the third candle? Top over here, top over here. Well, we're not bouncing off that. We're not bouncing off that. So maybe you mean the third candle. James, what time frame you look at Bitcoin? 5 minute or the 15 minute? 1 minute? If I'm going to put up a chart. 1 minute? Okay, let's put up a 1 minute. Duplicate new tab. Get rid of this because we don't want it changing all my charts. That's annoying. MBT. Oof, that looks like an error. I don't need to know the contract month, maybe. I'll play with it. Give me a second. I might be also getting a long signal. Yeah, let's just call it Bitcoin. And slide it all the way down to the end. What's the spread on it? $50. 831.05. Oof, that's a much larger spread, so I'm guessing March isn't the contract. April, even larger. Could it be January? They're every month the contract. 350, 375. That's the tightest spread. This is the one.
Comes at 92.
Yeah. Okay, that took me a lunch. I can barely hear you with the saws running. What saws? I have saws running? Are you referring to getting chopped up? Or is there something on my mic? Let me do a sound test. You'll hear some echoes. Hello? Hello? That's the delay, just for you guys to know. That's how long it is. Maybe it's a little bit shorter if I increase the speed. Yeah, LOL, so I guess you're referring to getting chopped up. Oh. Okay, let me get back to MNQ here, because there is a trade. I will only take it for one. $92, a minute 87, 5-point better, can't complain. Well, I was distracted. Oh, Saw's running. You're at work. Okay. Now this old man gets it. That would make sense with your names. With your name, with your handle. 21. I don't know. I'm so distracted. I'm just going to take it. 674. What chip I asked you before? I don't know if you answered. I don't think I saw an answer. How did you find the channel? Did you see the thumbnail? Yeah, that would be a nice runner. Well, for me, the 42 pointer would be at, let's just see, 32. Yeah, that'll take out. A 40 pointer for me is at 32, which is where I should have let it run to, even though I took a. I already said you were the co-founding partner of Prop Junkies of the old channel. The secret is out, James. Target filled. What? Oh, okay. I missed the loser on Counter-Strike. Counter-Strike is now up 50 points. Okay. Let us see what we get. What time is it? I want to quit already. 11:30. I gotta go till 12. That's a long stream. 5 watching, 2 chatting. That means there's 3 lurkers. I have 1 screen open. That means there's 2 lurkers. Yeah, this is for you, Mr. or Mrs. Lurker. And don't be shy. Chat. No. I mean the new channel. How'd you find the new channel? Wood chip. Because I changed from Prop Junkies to Futures Floor. Like, how'd you know that this was where I was making my new home? Did you see the thumbnail I created? Put out like a little lighthouse for you to make it easy for you to find. On the thumbnail, I put your handle. Yeah, let me go see if I can find it. Make you laugh while I'm waiting for trade. Oh yeah, an ICT thing. Is that the gap thing you were telling me about? Here, well, let me see if I can find the icon. Hold on. The thumbnail, I mean. Yeah, it's small. I make it bigger. I don't think I can make it bigger. Okay, I don't know. If you're looking on your phone, you might not see it. This was the thumbnail I created to make it easier for you to find the channel. You can read what it says there on the bottom, middle right of the thumbnail. Oops, what just happened there? Okay, let's get about watching the markets. Well, you got close to actually almost equal highs. Did you take profit? Wednesday's close. Down here, December 19th, right? That's what you wrote. Yes, it is. Oh, that's the bottom of the box pretty much that I drew. Mine's a little bit higher, only because I wanted to give some room, but it seems like it is. Where is it? Where is it? Am I not drawing in the previous close? Right, close, close. Ah, I'm drawing it in kind of like silver. I shouldn't be. It should be white. That's why I'm confused. No, it is white. I'm really confused. Well, I'm not going to troubleshoot the charts right now. That's the high. That's the close. It's white. Is it small? Is that why? I make it 3. It will look white. Yes, I make it 3. It will look white. Yeah, you look at the 4 o'clock close, though. Me, I record the 5 p.m. close. I think you said 4:10, 4:15. Anyways, that was a good distraction. Let's get back to the charts. Thankfully, I had no trades. You look like you hit take profit. Closed for 20 points. Yep. Yeah. It's time to James. Time to quit. Also for me, I think coming up to 10:40. I think I have to go to the garage anyways. Missed a couple of 2-bar retrace continuation trades over here. There's one here, and the second one was here. Is that 12 points? 19.31. Yes, it is. Yeah, it is what it is. Bitcoin. I don't know if I'm going to keep up. I can't see anything I can do with this. I don't even know what a one lot does. I'm curious. One is a one lot. One Bitcoin, I guess, eh? Anyways, for now, we'll keep it up. It was a trade. That was a trade, and this is a trade. But we're pushing up into VWAP, and that always hurts me. So I am not going to do it again. Yeah, I'm thinking that also. But every time I take a trade when we're bumping up along and if we're bumping up into VWAP, I get hurt. I'm tired of it. VWAP has punished me so many times. I'm gun shy now. And I don't have really an entry on my main system. So I did have an entry on the Counter-Strike system. I'll pull it up. There was a bunch of them here. 2-bar retrace, 12 points. 2-bar retrace, 12 points. 2-bar retrace, 12 points. There was 3 of them here. But I didn't take them. Counter-Strike is up about 50 points. I'm up 674. We're stalling at VWAP right now. For now. However, we have an interesting trade here. If we retrace back to the initial balance high, which we already did over here, we had a full candle above the initial balance, and we came back. Those all qualify as impulsive trades for me, though, even though I like to take them because I get hurt with them. Mostly because I don't know where to put my stuff. Yeah, no, VWAP for me now, if I'm disciplined, is a reason not to take a trade. It's not a reason to take a trade. It won't give me a setup. It'll just keep me out of entering when I do have a setup. Like now, kind of like this continuation trade on the break of the high of the 1-minute candle. Only because we had a full candle. That's our first full 1-minute candle over the initial balance high. But how far away? 25. VWAP was 12 points away. I didn't want to play with it. VWAP was farther away. I would have done it. Wow, this was a nice trade. We just had 2 back-to-back. I didn't catch them. 3, let me see. Yeah, we had 2 back-to-back 40-point winners on my system. It's too bad I'm not actually 3 in the last hour. That's not bad. I'll get the discipline to hold. Working on it. The slope held nicely. Actually, why isn't it continuing to the right side? Auto scale locked. There isn't a continue to the right. Seriously? You have to stretch it? That's a stupid feature. Good old Ninja Trader. Oh, that's me. Didn't even know. For the garage. Are you done soon? For the garage. Bitcoin loan. You're gonna make me want to try and trade Bitcoin. I'm gonna lose, then I'm gonna get angry at you. Oh, hello. Microphone is on. Don't talk dirty.
Okay, what's up?
Nothing. I guess I'm finished. What time is it? 11:45. Yeah, I can call it quits over here.
Okay, baby.
Okay, so I'll come up and we'll go right away. Yeah. Sounds good. I'll be up in 5 minutes.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Okay, gentlemen, that's it for me. I will be 15 minutes left, and I'm leaving earlier. I got to go to the garage, so I want to get that out of the way. I'm out. Yeah, me too. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for showing up, and thanks for giving me someone to talk to, because monologuing is very boring. 179. Excellent. I got up 674 today, so that's almost 70% of my loss on Friday. Thank you very much. I will not complain about that. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow.